Hello, thank you for pressing play. And I know I'm leaving the ladies. I had such a good time with them. But for the last leg of the trip, I am going to Hotel RIU just to spend a couple of days solo to rejuvenate and get back to work. But let's see how these last few days turned out.
Okay.
Oh, yes! Let me see,
I have two.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now this is the key.
Yeah.
The key.
Comment ça va? Comment ça va, nana? Aïe, ça va. Aïe, ça va, nana. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Aïe, ça va. Aïe, ça va. Aïe, ça va. Aïe, ça va.
I love it. Wait. Okay, so hold on. I'll go to this. Merci.